If your drain looks like that, no worries, I'll show you how to repair it. This one was totally broken and just fell apart. First we start by undoing the trap adapter, then the union. That one came out easy because it was already broken. Toss it out, clean everything up for the new one. That's how the new one looks. It's one piece with a pop-up. I put some silicone here. You can do whatever you want. Throw it in, some more silicone, then the gasket and the nut. Tighten everything up. Some grease on the pop-up. Cut existing drain. Clean, ream, sand. That's how I do it. MJ coupling, that's what I use. Measure the first piece for the trap adapter. Make a nice clean cut. Glue it in. In our area we have to install union P-traps, but I find they tend to leak sometimes, so I use glue-in P-traps if they're installed with the means of being removed, which is MJ in this case. We can still use them. I think that's just the better way to do it. Now you can glue that one in as well. And that's pretty much all the cuts you need to do. Now put it in. Glue those two together. I do it one at a time. Now I do the second one. Glue it in, spin it, clean it. Now tighten the trap adapter. Now tighten the MJ. Fill up the sink fully and let it drain. Make sure that nothing is leaking and you're good to go. New pop-up drain, it can be removed for easy cleaning.